Pababa. Hindi pa ito siya nag-street body. Pero siya. Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go? Bye. What did you say to Ate Hazel? Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, hug na Ate Hazel. Hug na, hug na, dali, hug na. Hug na. Hug na, dali na, hug, 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 hug. Dali na, baba, hug na. Dali na, hug, hug. Ikaw na mag-hug. Outside. Si Ate Isida, not her. Ikaw talaga. You see? Ha?
When I say to her, I'm driving, she pulls my head towards her head.
That's right. You want Ate Isida to come and hug you. Oh. What do you want to do now? Mommy and Daddy is here. Are here. So, what is your plan? What is your plan for Jada? Siyempre, Dragon is 5 p.m. Diba? 5 p.m.
That happened to Kate.
Oh. Oh. Iyo. Dua ba ganyan? That's two. Ay! Si Ham yata ang niluto.
Pero sa bacon.
Ayun na to, Daddy. Pigluto, Saro.
Tapos ham.
Oo. Dikit pa lang tong ham. Tulo naman lang to. Pero ang bacon, yung si binaba ko dahil pigluto.
May taas na.
Iyon na garo si taas ang sila ni Levi. Knowing Levi. OMG! You have your own hands. Get. You drop it, then get it on your own. See? Okay. Very good. Oh, good. Properly baba.
Weba.
You gonna fall again baba.
No, weba.
Huh?
No, F, ma'am, F.
All right. I will help. Mommy will help you. Oh, wait. Come. Wait, baba. There you go.
On the weba, on the weba.
There we are like this. Oh, here. And then this one. Here, and that is it. Okay. I like this. Wait, excuse me. I don't go for. I'll just go there. Oh. We're waiting for Daddy, then we will go. Okay? So, today is Wednesday. No school today. We are going to look for the dragon. You're not afraid anymore. Ano baba? You're not afraid anymore with the dragon, ha? Because you saw it, it's, ano baba? It's only Kuya hiding in the mascot with that big dragon. What color baba you like, baba? Dragon. Yellow, green, or red? Or red? What color dragon do you like, baba? Do you like yellow? Yellow, green, or red? What color dragon do you like? Not push. We're waiting for Daddy. Daddy is in the toilet. And after this, we're going to drive. Yes, I'm ready. Look, I have bag ready. Diba? This is...
Ma'am, to.
Huh? What? What do you want? Close. It's open pala kaya. Close already. Wait for Daddy. Good hands lang ha. Behave only. Wait for Daddy. We're waiting for Daddy. When Daddy finish, we'll go. Okay, go.
On,
Drive. Dragon is in Centro. Okay? Going to Centro. Gonna watch Dragon again. Mm. Punta na kami. Bye-bye. See you later. You have 3 bags. 1 sling bag. 2...
Ma.
Yes. 1 handbag, 2 sling bag with
Ma.
glass pa sa kilikili.
Ma.
What is it? What is it? Come on, say it. Ano pa? What do you wanna say? Say, I love you.
Di ba yan?
I keep Freya again. Freya. Freya. Look, Jaza, oh. Looking for Freya. Freya. Today is, sabi mo Sunday today, holiday, New Year's Day. Ah, yawning again. Oh, chu. Sleepy ang baby ko. Tama yan, matulog na sa bed, ay sa car.